I-ActionSA iyangenelela nesifundeni seMpumalanga. Gadango labo lokthoma bakhethe usihlalo uThoko Mashiane. uMashiane oneminyaka ema-67 ubudala. Olilunga lalo khale le-ANC ubeka ngutitchere wabuye waba mphathi kamasipalata. Uthi seulungele ukukhamba indlela etsha.
This country needs to be fixed, and it can be fixed. With our core values as ActionSA, we want economic prosperity, and it's easy to do it. Our province is fertile ground to do those things.
ActionSA ithembise bona iqalo ndanzi layo zizenzelwa zomphakathi ekuyinto abantu abalila kakhulu ngayo.
This province needs fixing. We have come across many communities who do not seem to have enjoyed any benefits of democracy. No electricity, no sewer lines, no water connections, and this has to be addressed.
Ihlangano le iqala ikhetho elizako lango-2024. Umrholi wayo uHerman Mashaba uthi abantu abaningi badimeka amathuba.
So we're on that mission to ensure that we get those people come 2024 so that ActionSA can emerge as the second biggest political party in this country. And when we emerge as the second biggest political party in the country, this is a big statement I'm making, and I'm unapologetic about this. I want South Africans to know that I'm not in this business to be opposition.
Mashaba uzokumemezela ubuholi be-Free State, KwaZulu-Natal kunye ne-Northern Cape enyangeni ezako.